Hey guys, so I have just been running errands today. I dropped my son off at school. We went to Sam's Club and I actually filmed a haul for that, so look forward to that. I filmed that. We picked him up from school. We picked up some Burger King for the kids. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna make myself a salad, and then we are on our way to get gas now. So I'm gonna go get my gas now. I got their Burger King. I got chicken nugget meals, the fries, and Capri Suns. And I actually got a cheeseburger in here. Just a regular cheeseburger for my dog. So I'm gonna go inside and make my salad. Okay, so here's the salad I was talking about. I haven't eaten anything yet today because I've been busy. I just had like my black coffee and it's almost 1 now. So this is salad. I have the spring mix salad I got from Sam's, and then I have rotisserie chicken on top, and then I had 1 boiled egg that I chopped up and put on here, some shredded cheese, and then I have Hidden Valley ranch dressing, and it looks so good. This lettuce was like so crispy when I got it out of the container, and the rotisserie chicken, I tasted it so good, so I'm excited to eat this. Okay. I am on my way to the dermatologist to get something checked out. I've been super busy and tired, but I still got more to do. Okay, so I went to the dermatologist and I got a little biopsy there. So now I am going to the gym. I'm just exhausted at this point. I've been so busy all day, but I want to go to the gym while I'm out and I have time. Okay, so I just got out of the gym. I'm still kind of hot and out of breath. But I did weights and like kind of just all over body, arms, legs, abs, all that. And then I just did like a quick little jog thing, but I didn't want to be there too long because it's getting to be dinner time. So I'm gonna go ahead and head home to make dinner. Probably something healthy, maybe a chicken salad or something. I'll have to see what I have. Okay, so I just got home, but I just wanted to laugh about the fact that I'm carrying my 2 favorite drinks, my Diet Coke and my coffee, in the house at the same time because I stopped to get a drink on the way. Super caffeinated. I'm eating another salad for dinner. Being lazy, I don't feel like making anything. And then I'm also boiling some eggs for later on. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day. Check out my links below and I'll talk to you soon.